long time ago, I received a request to play this version of One Thing Remains that's on YouTube. It's one of those that was captured from the Bethel live stream. Lots of cool guitar parts in this song. It's a cool arrangement for sure. I can't hear both guitar parts perfectly, but I did the best I could to try to mix what I could hear to make one cohesive part that kind of addresses the best parts of each. It was a lot of fun to do, so if you're looking for a new arrangement for One Thing Remains, hopefully this gives you some ideas what you could do to kind of mix things up. The song's been around a long time, so it's always cool when you get like a fresh take on some of the guitar parts. I noticed that it was Bobby Strand playing in this one, and he never ceases to come up with some pretty awesome stuff and breathe new life into some older songs. So this is a One Thing Remains remix by Bethel. Hope you guys enjoy it.